Ungqongqoshe uZulu uchaze kabanzi ngokutholwe ocwaningweni obelwenziwa.
Strategies and approaches that will, in a manner that protects dignity, establish comprehensive and sustainable social security system that are responsive to the needs of our people, particularly the vulnerable among them.
Uthi basazosebenzisana namaposi ukuholela abantu wathi ingqinamba ibhekene namaposi zizoxazululeka.
We are in engagement in trying to resolve some of the problems that we have with the post office in order for us to bring dignity and give dignity to our people.
Uthi basebenzisana ngisho nanebhange lomhlaba ukuze kwenziwe lo msebenzi ubese efisela umengameli wezwe ukwelula mokusheshayo njengoba ehaqwe ubhubhane lwesifo iCOVID-19.
As we all learned yesterday that President Cyril Ramaphosa tested positive for COVID-19 and is receiving the relevant treatment, we pray for him too and all South Africans that they all have a speedy recovery. I've just come out of it myself, and I do want to indicate that everybody must go and vaccinate, because I'm sure that if I hadn't been vaccinated, I might have been in a bad situation. I recovered already quickly and I'm back into action.
Nakuba bekhona abantu abathi abakaze bayithole le mali selokhu yaqala ukukhishwa kodwa ungqongqoshe uthi ziyalungiswa inkinga ezikhona futhi wonke umuntu owafaka isicelo uzogcina eyitholile. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC.